Today, NBC5's Lindsay Jones spoke with staff from Killington to learn how wind can often affect their lifts.
The wind has caused several lift delays here at Killington on Friday. Staff say that certain lifts tend to be impacted more often, while others are usually unaffected. As one of the highest summits in the state, windy days at Killington Resort are common. Communications manager Josh Reed says that the resort does face wind-related lift delays on a semi-regular basis. He says they're always keeping track of wind speeds so lifts can be stopped before they become dangerous. The resort doesn't just monitor the level of wind, but also the direction of it. He says that safety concerns arise when there are crosswinds, when the wind blows from side to side. Reed also explained that lifts at higher elevations face the most disruptions from wind. Some of their ski lifts at Killington were strategically designed to better handle wind. They're called fixed grip lifts.
Fixed grip lifts are more resistant to wind. As the name implies, they're actually attached to the line as opposed to a detachable lift. So they have less tendency to sway, they operate at a slower speed naturally, and Killington has those strategically positioned all the way around the mountains.
Reed says Killington has around 6 fixed grip lifts, which allows them to continue to send riders up the mountain even on a really windy day. And although there has been some wind on the mountain, Killington skiers say they'll be out enjoying the snow regardless of the weather. In Killington, Lindsay Jones, NBC5 News.